All bells, thank you for listening to Dog Show Divas. Wala pa kaming OBB. Magkakaroon siguro pag meron na kaming brands. Charot!
Correct, kasi nga 'di ba, ang ibig sabihin ng OBB ay only better with brands. Anyway, enjoy the first episode of Dog Show Divas, the official podcast.
Hello again! Welcome to another episode of Dog Show Divas. Ayan. Alam ninyo, we're very happy ni Baus today kasi ang ganda ng gising.
Correct.
Right?
Ang ganda ng gising namin. Para bang, alam mo yung the morning of magiging kayo na nung lalaking nanliligaw sa'yo. Alam mo yung para, today is the day.
Oo.
Ganon yung possibilities being presented to me right now today.
Ang ganda. I love it. It's giving light.
Correct.
Oo.
Love and
Light. Not light residences ha. Paulit-ulit na ako dyan. Kasi
Correct.
doon ako nakatira dati. But anyway, let's have our mantra to start the podcast.
Correct.
Okay. Repeat after me.
Mhm.
Hindi sana
Hindi sana
mangamoy
mangamoy
ang chili garlic.
ang chili garlic.
Pakinggan mo kami,
Pakinggan mo kami,
Mr.
Mr.
Hen
Hen
Lin.
Lin.
Ayan.
Oh my God.
So we're just latching on sa previous episode natin where we discussed
Correct.
the legacy of the Lin dynasty.
Correct, the Lin Dynasty. That last episode, which to our viewers was a week ago, but to
Oo.
us, it was just an hour ago.
Oo.
Diba?
Ganun po kami kabilis.
Ganun po kami kabilis,
Oo.
'di ba? Yeah,
Because we have to be agile.
we have to be agile parang mga marketers.
I know.
'Di ba? Agile marketing. At kasing agile na rin siguro ng mga corrupt government officials.
Yeah.
Kanina pa tayo corrupt government
Oo.
officials. But I guess, that is a truth that we are gonna have to live with.
Oo.
Um,
And it's a sad reality na hinaharap natin right now.
Correct.
Oo.
Pero, again, we are here for the dog show.
Of
We are
course.
here for the joy. And I kind of want us to start off with just the year like 1998 to
Oh,
maybe
wow.
like 2001.
Wow.
Feeling ko, ako,
Mhm.
doon nagsimula talagang lumabas ang kabaklaan. Many thanks to mga pop divas. Pero during that time, nasa ang point ka nun in your journey?
Wow, 1998 to 2001. Siyempre elementary tayo nga,
Correct.
diba? But also, I think I was grade 1
Oo.
during that time. Pero eto rin yung happiest moments as a kid kasi syempre, you were exploring.
Mhm.
Oo, exploring in a way na gusto mo ng bagong kalaro,
Yes.
gusto mo ng bagong classmates.
Correct.
Oo. But also, you want good music.
Correct.
Yun yung napansin ko.
I mean, sa debate na Christina versus Britney, ang sagot mo of course ay
Britney!
correct.
Oo.
Bakit si Britney? Ano sa tingin mo ang nasa DNA mo, nasa physiology mo na talagang napunta ka kay Miss Spears?
Si Miss Spears kasi, I think she is the second blueprint of Janet Jackson.
Totoo.
Yun yung na-feel ko lang.
Correct.
And yun yung nakita ko din. But alam mo kasi, ang iconic ng mga songs kasi ni ate mo.
Correct.
'Di ba?
Marami ang kanta niya, pero ano yung sa'yo talaga parang this is the one?
For me, it's always the Hit Me Baby One More
Baby
Time.
One More Time.
How about you?
Ako, ang pinakagusto ko sigurong Britney is Stronger.
Ang bakla ng Stronger.
Bakla, di ba?
Kahit yung yung music video, ang bakla
Sobrang bakla, be. As in, ang bading.
At you know what? The beauty of that music video, doon din nag-boom ang wedding
Correct.
industry.
Yes.
Because of the Tiffany chair.
Yes. Saka, ang gusto ko sa lyrics ng Stronger is that sobrang alpha bakla niya. Ang first lyrics, di ba? Hush, just stop. Like, pinapatahimik niya lahat ng tao. Parang sabi niya, teka, moment ko to, tumahimik kayo. And that really resonates with me as an Aries na panganay.
That's true. And I agree with you on that. I think dito din nasabi ni Britney na, no, hindi lang kita patitigilin physically.
Yes.
But also, patitigilin din kita mentally because sinabi rin niya na there's nothing you could do or say after hush, just stop.
AA.
AA.
Diba?
Very alphabet.
I mean, the Alphabet Queen, I think.
The Alphabet Queen.
Britney Spears,
Oo.
Alphabet Queen.
The Alphabet Queen.
Correct.
Pero-
And gusto ko rin na song ni Britney Spears na I think deserves more recognition, yung Overprotected na
Oh my
Dark
gosh.
Child remix.
Ang bakla nun.
Girl, yung abs din ni Britney
Oh,
doon.
goodness. I know. Ang ganda nun. Ang ganda ng Overprotected. Ang ganda ng choreography.
Correct.
Pero, eto rin kasi yung time, di ba, dear, na
Kakahiwalay, parang ganun,
oo,
di
di ba? Parang ano ba to? Hindi ko maintindihan ng ate mo.
Hindi, kakahiwalay lang nila ni
Kakahiwalay
Justin
lang nila ni Justin.
Bieber.
Yes.
Oh.
Pero, knowing you, I know that you are a Britney fan, but
I'm a bigger Christina fan.
I would like to know bakit Christina ka.
I think I'm just a vocals girl. I mean, I just feel like Christina's vocal performances sa mga singles niya, it's just something that really resonates with me.
Wow.
The Genie in a Bottle, I think, was pretty good. Pero nung lumabas yung second and third hits na What a Girl Wants and Come On Over, that was it.
That's
Diba?
your awakening.
That's my awakening. And that time, nung narinig ko yung What a Girl Wants, and I was 8 years old, napatanong talaga ako.
Oo.
Like, what do I want as a girl? Diba?
Gusto ko ba mag-Jackstone today?
Correct. Gusto ka ba mag 10-20? And that time, nung nagte-10-20 ako, dahil majubis akong bata, nun hanggang level 3 lang ang nagagawa ko. Hindi ko pa natatapos. Hindi ko nagagawa yung pag 40 or 50, yung bubukaka ka.
Oo.
Hindi ko nagagawa yon.
Ang ganda nung nilatch mong point of topic, 10-20. Let's talk about
Let's
that.
talk about that.
Now, the 10-20, it is such a nice game for kids na pinopromote yung physical education.
Correct.
But also the arithmetic.
Correct. It is mathematical, it is physical, but more than anything, it is cerebral.
It is cerebral and it is algebraic.
Diba? It is hieroglyphic at times.
That's true. It's like every time nag-step ka ng 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, nagkakaroon ng angle.
Yes. At yung mga synapses sa brain mo nagko-connect-connect.
I know. And also, it is the representation of familial
Yes.
society.
Correct. Diba? Kasi pag may mother ka, at yun ang maganda sa 10-20, no?
Oo.
It is a protest to the patriarchal society because the person who saves you sa 10-20 is called mother.